Welcome, my dear followers. Today I want to make you a wonderful pastry. For this recipe, add 200 milliliters of warm water and warm milk. Add a medium spoon of instant yeast and mix until dissolved. We add flour. Add the first half of 5 glasses of flour in total. I added a medium spoon of salt on it. Recovered well. Where are you watching me from? Please leave a comment. Add the flour gradually. Let it go when it thickens. Continue kneading with our hands until it becomes thick. I took it to the table. We continue. Better dough is obtained if you make it in this style. Prepare like this for 5 minutes. Dough okay, divide into 3 equal parts. Prepare the meringues like this. Leave it like this for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, I mash 3 boiled potatoes. Add a little oil to the pan and fry the potato. Add 1 small onion. Add some salt. Add some chili paste. Dry a little. Add the potato. I added black pepper, paprika and salt on it. We are doing the roasting process a little more. Yes, the internal mortar is ready. Check it, taste it, and take it from the stove. After 30 minutes, there was a nice fermentation. I bought one, the others are waiting the same. It's a bit harsh because it's leavened, but don't be afraid. Try to do like me. I want to thin it would be better. When it's big enough, let it go. Clean the flour on it. There is 150 grams butter that is melted and cold beforehand. Let's pour some on it. Fold it like this. Oil it again. I agree again. Prepare it like this and leave it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Prepare the other doughs in the same way and keep them in the refrigerator. I bought the first meringue on the table. After 30 minutes the fat froze, and try to do it like me. Open as much as you can. Divide the dough of sufficient size into 2 equal parts. Place the inner mortar like this. Now fold it like this. Prepare the dough like this. You can also make the stuffing with spinach and minced meat. I take it on a greased paper-lined tray. All the meringues are ready. We make tray yeast for 10 minutes in this way. After 10 minutes, mix it with 1 egg yolk and half a spoon of oil and brush it on. Oven preheated to 180 degrees. I cooked it in a controlled way and it smells like crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. We cut one for you. Thanks for watching me. See you in the next video. Enjoy your meal.